this video, I am going to update about minor league pitcher drilled in head by liner game called off and game has been stopped because of this. Minor league pitcher Taylor Zombro gets tended to by a trainer after being struck in the head by a line driver. Minor league pitcher Taylor Zombro is stable condition after being struck in the head by a line drive Thursday night. A fighting scene that promoted Triple-A Durham to suspend its game. Zomboro, a right-hander in the Tampa Bay Rays organization, was hit by a sharp line drive from Norfolk Barrett Cumberland. In the eighth inning, Zombro crumped awkwardly to the ground, lay motionless for a moment face down, then began to convulse uncontrollable as teammate and trainer rushed toward the mound. Taylor Zombro was transported to Duke University Hospital in Durham and is in stable condition. The Rays said in a statement, he is currently undergoing further treatment and observations. Additional updates will be provided as they become available. Our thoughts and prayer are with Taylor and his family. Cumberland took knee near first base while Zombro was tended to. The other player did the same across the field. Many of other praying. The 26-year-old Zombro signed as a minor league free agent with Tampa Bay in 2017 after going undrafted out of George Mason. Howe was appearing in his ninth game this session with the Bulls, entering the night 1-1 with 3-1 era. And this is the latest news about the game between Norfolk and Durham was stopped in 8th inning because pitcher Taylor Zombie was hit in the head with a line drive. He appeared unconscious immediately and was shaking while laying in the ground. The video is going viral on social media. The pub usually like keep things fun and light, but sometimes sport can be dangerous. Last night, Rays respond Taylor Zombie was hit in the head game between Durham and Norfolk, and he is in now. Thoughts are with Taylor Zombro, who took a line drive to the head. The game would be called shortly after. And Raise the Roof Network posted that please do not share the video of Taylor Zombro getting hit in the head with the line drive tonight in Durham. Our prayer are with him and entire Bull team right now. We are just speechless and heartbroken right now, and they are requesting people to not share the video of Taylor Zombro. Praying hard for Taylor Zombro. Won't share the video, but that was one of the more terrifying things I have seen a baseball diamond. Hopes are right. So, according to the media source, minor league pitcher Taylor Zombie drilled in the head in a video, and he was injured. And in a video clip, it has been shown that how ball hit him. Durham Bell pitcher Taylor Zombie suffered an incident during a Thursday night game against Norfolk Ties. During the Triple-A game, Zombro was drilled in the head on a line drive hit after throwing a pitch, and he immediately hit the ground as he appeared to be shaking. Eventually, medical personnel rushed him off on a stretcher. According to a statement from the team, Zombro was taken to Duke University Hospital after being hit by the ball and is in stable condition and undergoing further treatment and observation. Zombro has been part of the Tampa Bay Rays minor league system since 2019. The good news here is that Zombro is in stable condition and it sounds like he is going to be okay. After seeing the video for the first time, people are very much sad and amazed how he has been injured. Grim scene in Durham right now. Taylor Zombro pitched for the Bulls went down hard after a comebacker to the face. He was shaking uncontrollably before taking off the field via stretcher a few minutes later, and fans are very stunned. Hopefully he gets great medical care and is able to bounce back better than ever. Whenever anyone gets hit by a ball in a baseball, there is a potential for a disaster. what happened here, and fans are praying for his speedy recovery.